Tell me, Don, how are you gonna know that this is the entrance if there are no signs? Here's the entrance. The ticket's been validated, scanned and validated. This is the entrance of the Royal Palace route. Going down. Here you can hang your jackets.
Here, audioguide.
Toilets, lifts.
Audioguide is there.
We have to get the audio guide. It comes with the ticket that we bought. Return here. The audio guide is available in different languages, and of course we're choosing English.
Okay, yeah, you have it all. English here. So first of all, please press this icon, welcome to the castle. That's introduction. After that, you will see keypad, and we are writing now. And we are wearing them like on a mannequin, okay? And also, please leave your coat and jacket in the cloakroom.
Okay?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
I will film you as you do this.
You want to take?
Yeah, anything's the same. So here are the headphones.
Application in the phones, no?
This is what they gave us. This one.
That's it.
The headphones.
And we're gonna click on this.
Show me.
Welcome to the Royal Castle. That's it.
Okay. There are several exhibits or expositions in the Royal Castle. We have chosen to visit the Royal Route. The Royal Route includes the rooms of the Grand and King's apartments on the first floor. There are 32 exquisitely restored rooms. Each room is packed with nice European artworks and furnitures. The Royal Castle in Warsaw is a state museum and a national historical monument. Formerly the official residence of several Polish monarchs. The history of the castle dates back to the 14th century and was initially used as the residence of the Masovian dukes. It replaced the Wawel Castle in Krakow as the seat of the king, parliament, and the Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth in the early 1600s. As you may already know, this is just a replica of the official residence of the Polish monarchs. The Second World War brought complete destruction to the building, detonated by the Nazis after the failed Warsaw Uprising in 1944. Reconstruction was carried out in the years 1971 to 1984. The paintings, sculptures, and decorative arts preserved nowadays inside the castle are those that decorated its interiors at the time of King Stanislaw August Poniatowski. They were the property of the National Holdings of Art in 1922 to 39 and were acquired through gifts and bequests by certain important people or purchased. Some exhibits are deposited copies and reconstructions, while others were part of contributions.